Turn of events. There has been an accident.
Do it again. Emma, make your kisses noise. Do it.
The camp staff are onto it straight away.
Come on, honey. Do it again. I got it a little bit.
If they'd have gone near the drums of fuel and the chopper, we would have had an explosion that is just not even worth imagining. And it's got the heavy gimbal attached to it as well. I don't want to think
What are you doing, Em?
I really don't want to think about it.
With the chopper and the heli gimbal still intact, the aerial team embarked on a grueling 10-day stint.
What are you doing, Goofy?
Every morning and evening, but after 50 hours of flying, they're making little headway with filming the hunt.
Emma, what you making kissy noises for?
Still about tomorrow. Still about tomorrow morning. We will get it tomorrow morning.
I got her.
We will.